For more than 175 years, Corbin Russwin has been a premier manufacturer of architectural hardware, providing high-quality, durable solutions for even the most demanding applications. Our industry-leading portfolio includes a wide range of lock sets, exit devices, door closers, decorative hardware, advanced key systems, and electronic access control solutions. And many of them are purpose-built for specific environments. Our T-Zone board lock, the CL3100 series, can withstand up to 3,000 inch-pounds of torque and far exceeds Grade 1 requirements. The SECUREBOLT, a unique exit device featuring an oversized square deadbolt, resists static load forces and prevents unauthorized entry. And our innovative electronic access control solutions combine physical security with access control in a wide range of technologies, from standalone to wired to wireless installations. The Corbin Russwin culture of product innovation combines with a high-tech manufacturing environment to produce reliable, durable products. Advanced manufacturing equipment like sophisticated robotics and automation technologies work alongside a skilled workforce to make Corbin Russwin the industry's premier production facility. And not only is our facility high-tech, it has gone green. Corbin Russwin is committed to providing products that are environmentally sound throughout the production process and the product lifecycle.
Our facility is Green Circle ISO 14001, 2004, and ISO 9001-2008 certified, and certain products are UL certified for reduced environmental impact.
And recently installed a 4-acre renewable energy solar array to help offset the plant's energy use. ASA Abloy Door Security Solutions, our talented network of professional sales representatives, provides a wealth of knowledge about Corbin Russwin products. Customer and user services include specification writing, site surveys, product troubleshooting, and the development of key systems, all backed by a dedicated and responsive internal service organization, delivering the product and customer support you need to win and secure any project. Innovative, high-performance products, advanced manufacturing, responsive support, and a commitment to the environment. Corbin Russwin is your first choice for premium architectural hardware solutions.